Hello everybody, today I'm here, a beautiful place around here you can see in my background. That's a beautiful place, an ancient town in Qingpu, Shanghai, China. So Qingpu is not popular for so many things around, but one of the popularities is Chujiajiao. That is an ancient town. One side of that town, that's actually a water town. One side of that town, there were rich elite peoples were living there once, and the other side, some poor people or slaves were living. So those slaves were supposed to work for those rich people just for food. Okay, slaves have to work for the food or without taking money. At other side, those rich people were enjoying. And I visited that place, Chujiajiao, and this is another ancient, you can say a park, a town, but people, some rich people used to live here, this place as well. So there's only 5 RMB ticket to enter here at this place. You can enter like just 5 RMB is equal to I think 150 rupees in Pakistani currency. So you can just enter here and enjoy this beautiful scenery, old ancient buildings. Sometimes I don't believe that these are ancient buildings because China can do anything. They are just like do fake things as well. Because if you go to Xi'an and other places, you will see that people have a lot of history, and ancient building. Oh, this building was 400 years ago and 300 years ago, but actually it's not true. They just like tell you some fake stories that okay, the farmer was digging something and he found a city here, and then Obama came here and Xi Jinping came here and he actually like rewarded that guy because he found some ancient things. I don't know how many dynasties were there, but they just relate these things with their old dynasties. These things somehow there is like some reality. You can say that there are some realities as well. It's not totally a fake story, but there are certain truths about those things as well. You can believe, but not the entire story about these emperors or kings or their monarchs or whatever they were in that during that tributary system. So this is a good place. I just wanted to show you, and I'm gonna hold my camera to like you can see around. It's beautiful. I just enjoy the beauty of this place. Not concerned that okay this is fake or whatever, but they try to make it and they really made it. Okay, this kind of buildings were there. This is one. Those are other buildings. Here you can see an uncle is sitting. There's a policeman waiting. And some buildings over there. And that's the entrance by the way. And here, actually, if we like zoom out, then you can see some city side buildings over there. And here, the other part of town is there. This one here. There are a lot of trees, so you cannot simply see uh, that side. But I'm gonna go there and I'll capture some other videos as well so that you can see them as well. And thank you very much. Wherever I go in China, I just try to capture these beautiful places for you guys and hope you enjoy. You also visit China with me, and in future as well, I'll try to capture as much as I can because I like to. Uh, it's a kind of memory. Wherever I have been, you can also visit those places with me. And it's like one day, if I don't have a chance to come back here, I can watch these videos and okay, satisfy myself that okay, I visited this place. And thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye.